There is that red record button. That means we're live. Hello world. What is up guys? Welcome back to today's video that I am so excited for. I have been waiting so long to do this video. I'm literally bursting. I'm so excited. Today we're talking all about a holy grail skincare product, one of the most world famous skincare serums, skincare products in the entire world. When you think top 10 skincare or top 5 skincare products, this is mentioned again and again and again. It has 90,000 likes on Sephora, 90,000 hearts. Today we're talking about the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. This is the one skincare product that you guys keep asking about. This serum has won every beauty award that you can ever imagine. It has been around since the 80s. I have watched so many videos, I've read so many articles, I have done so much research in preparation for today's video. I've been testing the serum for quite a while now. This is the video that I wish I would have found with all the information that I needed all in one place. So in today's video, we're going to talk everything about Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum Synchronized Recovery Complex 2, what you need to know, how to use it, all about the ingredients, if it works. I'm also going to share with you guys my personal experience while using this Estee Lauder serum. I am so ready to dive into this entire review. But before we go any further, if by the end of today's video you found it useful, you found it helpful, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe to join this ever-growing family. Let's do it. Okay, so I do think it's very important, before we talk about the Estee Lauder serum, just to talk about serums in general. What they are, how to use them, why you use them, if you should be using them. The answer is yes. Now, serums are much more powerful, action-packed forms of ingredients like vitamins, peptides, acids like your hyaluronic acid, your vitamin C's, your peptides, your polypeptides. Serums are going to deliver a much more powerful pack to your skin than just a moisturizer alone. Now, moisturizers do have some anti-aging ingredients, but their primary function is to form a barrier on the skin and really help your skin protect itself from outside aggressors. So when it comes to serums, they're important to add in to the deeper layers of your skin, real true anti-aging skincare ingredients. Serums are an essential part of any skincare routine if you want glowing skin, brighter skin, or really want to address any signs of aging. Alright, now let's dive into everything Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. Now, this serum maximizes the power of skin's natural nighttime renewal with Estee Lauder's Chronolux CB technology. It also includes antioxidants plus hyaluronic acid, peptides, and ferments. I literally feel like I am holding a gold bar, a piece of jewelry, or something very exclusive. Now, of course, I want to address at the very beginning that this is a very expensive serum. Now, the 30 ml retails for 70 American dollars. This is the 30 ml, 70 American dollars. And the 50 ml, the even bigger size, retails for 100 American dollars. And if you don't know, I actually live in Canada, so for the 30 mls, I paid almost $100 for this serum. I feel like that's one of its biggest barriers and one of the reasons that you don't see it in everyone's bathroom. Although you often see it mentioned on blogs and talked about all the time, it isn't something that you see in your everyday bathroom. Honestly, I feel like it's because of the price. It is just so expensive, but for you guys, I'm willing to try it. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this face serum was created in the 1980s, and it did have one update, one renovation. This is the Recovery Complex 2, and when they redid it, they made it more hydrating and more brightening. This is supposed to be so powerful. It's for normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, combination skin. It's basically made for every skin type, and Estee Lauder recommends that anyone over the age of 25 can benefit from it. It's supposed to help your skin repair while you're sleeping. It is a night recovery serum. Now, of course, their biggest claims is that this serum is going to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles and really help with uneven or dull skin texture. And one of the reasons why I finally wanted to try this serum is because I heard it was so hydrating. And as you guys know, winter is here, dry skin is here, and I was like, this is the time to try the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. So here we are. The Advanced Night Repairs package has remained the same since the early 80s. As you can see, this is their timeless brown glass bottle with gold details and of course their iconic dropper. You definitely can tell that this package is from the 1980s, I will say that. I don't find it very innovative or inspiring, but it does look very luxurious. Now the serum itself is a golden brown texture. I would say it is a medium texture. It's described as lightweight, but it does have a very comforting feel around it. It does absorb very quickly when you apply it to the skin, and it doesn't leave behind a sticky texture, which I find some serums, especially that contain hyaluronic acid, can do, but this serum does not. Now, I do want to break down some of the specific skincare ingredients in this serum, so I'm going to move over a little bit, maybe like here. Is this good? I'm going to put the skincare ingredients right here. Now, next to water, the second largest ingredient in this product is the bifida ferment lysate. Now, this is a probiotic skincare ingredient that's derived from yeast, and what it's going to do is help the skin turn over or exfoliate itself. Because it encourages the skin to visibly repair itself, it's going to give you younger, youthful, glowing skin. Now, speaking of probiotics, it also contains another probiotic, which is also going to help the skin exfoliate itself, and that is lactobacillus ferment. What a tongue twister. Now again, this is going to have some beneficial effects through exfoliation, giving you a much smoother skin texture. So as you can see, these two probiotics, when left on the skin, claims suggest that when you wake up in the morning, those ferments will have helped your skin renew itself, giving you a smoother feel. Now there are some peptides in this serum as well, and what peptides do is they have cell communicating properties, which are going to signal to your cells to help repair themselves. Now although there are peptides in this serum, like tripeptide 32, this is a very rarely used peptide, and because it's so very rarely used in skincare, it's not a widely researched peptide when it comes to skincare. So although Estee Lauder is using this peptide, there's no independent research to show that it actually does what they claim. Now the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair does contain a lot of skin conditioning agents, which is going to make your skin feel a lot more smooth upon application. There's hydrolyzed align, there's PEG 75, which is a lubricant that's going to give your skin a very smooth finish. Biz-PEG 18 methyl ether dimethylsilane, that's an emollient and a skin softener as well. These things are going to make your skin feel like butter. Now the thing with skin conditioning agents is they don't really have any long-term effects other than making your skin immediately feel smoother. It's kind of a little bit of perception trickery in my opinion, but there are a lot of skin softeners and skin conditioners in this product. Of course, there is sodium hyaluronate in the Advanced Night Repair Serum, getting rid of fine lines, wrinkles, and really helping the skin retain moisture, but it is halfway down the ingredient list. A little bit suspicious. Okay, so I moved you guys in a little bit closer because let's get to the fun part of this video, which is all about the application of the Advanced Night Repair Serum. Now there are a few different ways that you can use this serum, and I just want to tell you guys a few of my favorite ways. I also need to show you exactly how it applies. Now, Estee Lauder does recommend that you take the dropper and apply a little bit to the ends of your fingertips and then gently press it into the skin. I don't know what they were thinking. Applying anything to your fingertips is never Trevor's recommendations. Can you guys see this? Serums, when you put them on your fingertips, slip right between my fingers. I cannot deal with the drama. I don't know why anyone would say, apply things to your fingertips. I'm all about applying serums or any type of liquidy texture to the palm of my hand. So that's what we're gonna do. Now I'm gonna take a big dropper here and I'm going to apply it right to the palm of my hand. Right like that. Now, not only is the palm of your hand really going to help you to press the serum deep into your skin, but it's also not going to slip between your fingertips. So I like to take the serum and press it in my most dry areas. That is along my chin, also on my forehead. Of course, this is something you should do after you've cleansed your skin and then toned. Apply this serum all over the skin. I'm just going to use a little bit more. Let's drop it right. I can't see what I'm doing, so we're just going to wing it. I like to apply some right between my eyebrows because that is where my craziest, deepest wrinkle is on my face. You guys, I cannot deal with it, but when you use a serum that contains something like a hyaluronic acid, it really helps to alleviate that deep crinkle, and it really helps to smooth it out. Now, the serum is fragrance-free or less than 1% fragrance, and to me, it honestly smells like vitamins. It definitely does not smell like any perfume. It doesn't smell like flowers or any typical skincare ingredient. It really smells like vitamins. I mean, without a doubt, you guys can see that this serum is so hydrating. My skin is so, I mean, look at this. It is literally luminous. Can you see this? I mean, that was just after one application. Now, another way to use your advanced night repair serum is to mix it with your foundation, your concealer, in my case, my BB cream. This is the Biotherm BB cream, and all you have to do is take a little bit, just apply it to the back of your hand here. I'm not going to use too much because I really don't need to use any today. But all you do is take your foundation, your concealer, add a drop of the Advanced Night Repair Serum right into your foundation. If you have dry skin this winter, this is going to give you the most luminous, beautiful, I'm just going to use 1 drop, glowing skin ever. If you suffer from dry skin or peeling skin, all you do is blend this together. I'm just going to take my beauty blender here, pick some up on the back of my hand, and it just adds the nicest glow to your foundation. This is going to deliver such a deep dose of hydration, almost an under eye treatment while you're concealing. So you are concealing and healing. Concealing and healing. Did I just make something up? You guys, we are concealing and healing. I mean, as you guys can see, without a doubt, my skin, so flawless, so hydrated. It looks so moisturized. I mean, it is literally undeniable. Okay, so in conclusion, after trying the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2, and going through all of the ingredients, breaking it down, and really looking at this holy grail serum, I can definitely see why it's one of the top serums, one of the most recommended. It is going to make your skin feel very soft and very hydrated. But in my opinion, I feel like that's really due to the skin softening agents. Now, I don't know necessarily if this is going to give long-term benefits. I personally haven't used it long enough really to recommend it at a price point of $100. Of course, if you love skincare and you want to give it a try, with all means, definitely go out and try it because it is going to make your skin feel very soft. The reason why your skin feels so soft is because of these texture enhancers, not active ingredients. So they definitely are going to smooth and soften your skin without a doubt. Now, another thing I did want to mention is Estee Lauder does claim that this serum helps to purify your skin. And honestly, other than the peptides, I really don't see any other skincare ingredients, or at least it's not clear exactly how this purification process is happening. Now, personally, after using the serum for a couple of weeks, I did notice that when I would wake up, my skin was smoother, and this could be due to those probiotics helping the skin turn over, helping to exfoliate your skin with that fermentation process. Again, research is still a little bit conflicted on if that is actually happening. We're gonna have to wait and see for more long-term research. All in all, if $100 won't set you back and you can afford to try this serum, I definitely say give it a try. Your skin is going to feel smoother, the texture is going to be very beautiful, luminous, and hydrated. Although as far as the long-term skincare benefits, honestly, we just don't know. I mean, serums don't need to cost $100 anymore. That price point is still kind of stuck in the 80s, in my opinion. I feel like we've just come so far since then, but honestly, to each their own. That's why there's skincare products from the drugstore to luxury and everything in between. Variety is the spice of life. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my review of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2, how to use it, what's in it, if it works, and my personal opinion. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, don't forget to hit subscribe and join this ever-growing family. And if you made it to the end of today's video, Romeo and I love and appreciate you so much. Thanks for sticking around until the very end and making our YouTube dreams a reality. Alright guys, I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!